What's up RC Drifters, welcome back to another upgrade video on the RMX 2.0, and this time we're talking about 3D printed files. While I was looking for various different files to download and try out for my chassis, I stumbled across Kimpo's page on CULTS3D. I was blown away by the files that he created for this chassis and knew I had to try them out. I'm currently running most of his designs on my RMX chassis, and I've been trying them out for the past couple of months, and all of them have worked brilliantly. I originally found Kimpo's profile when I was looking for a rear mount ESC bracket and stumbled across all of the other designs that he has. I'm now sporting his fan mount and trumpet, his quick release battery mount, his lightweight front bumper design, his rear bumper with bash bar built in, and his rear ESC mount as well. But the piece that I love the most is the upper deck with the relocation of the servo mount, adding it higher and closer, distributing the weight differently and adding even more body roll. There is very little bad I could say about his products. I will say, if you're going to download and 3D print his products, which I would highly recommend, please make sure that you use an appropriate medium and you're printing at 100% infill. He does make two different types of fan mount, one for the original motor mount and one for the heatsink motor mount, which is slightly further back. And he also makes several different sized bash bars to go over depending on the different sizes of your ESC or the configuration. Overall, I'm very happy. I'm blown away with how everything is performed, and I will be running the majority of these parts for the foreseeable future. One of the things I love about this community is how creative so many people are out there, and Kimpo definitely deserves your support. If you're interested in supporting him or trying out these products for yourself, you can find a link in the description below, and please let me know in the comments if you find any other 3D printed files you wish for me to try out.